Discovering Down Under, exploring a popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might have tickled your ears if you've listened to conversations about travel or geography, down under. It's a term that pops up in movies, songs, and casual chats. But what does it actually mean? Stay with us as we unpack the meaning and use of this interesting phrase. The phrase, down under, refers to the country of Australia, and sometimes, by extension, New Zealand. But why these countries? The term comes from the fact that these nations are located in the southern hemisphere, below many other countries on traditional maps. The word down indicates direction, while under refers to their position relative to the equator and other continents. Historically, down under became popular in the late 19th to early 20th century. It was used by the people living in the northern hemisphere to describe the far-off lands of Australia and New Zealand. Since these countries were so far south, they were figuratively down at the bottom of the globe. Down under isn't just a geographical term. It has made its mark in popular culture. For instance, there's the famous song, Down Under, by Men at Work, which has become an unofficial anthem, proudly celebrated by Aussies. The phrase is also used in various media to evoke the unique culture and landscapes of Australia. When you're speaking English, you can use down under in various ways. For example, I'm planning a trip down under next summer. She has family down under and visits often. The band is on tour in Europe but will head down under in the fall. In each case, down under replaces the name of the country, giving the sentence a friendly and informal feel. So, now you're familiar with the charming phrase, down under, and its connection to Australia and New Zealand. We hope you've enjoyed exploring this phrase with us and feel confident using it in your own conversations. Remember, learning a language is like a journey. It's not just about the words. It's about the culture and stories they carry. Until our next video, keep practicing and stay curious. Cheers!